Hello guys, your favorite channel HACKIDEATRICK brings you Speedy HIT number 6. To activate yeast, there is a simple step which is required to follow. Take any bowl, add 2 or 3 pinch of sugar for 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. Then add lukewarm water. Make sure to not add very hot water as it kills yeast fermentation. Keep it still for 10 or 15 minutes in a little warmer or normal temperature. You will soon see the development of yeast. Add this activated yeast in flour and once ready, cover it with wet cloth and leave it for proofing. For proofing, you can just use your oven or you can just keep it outside in a little warm temperature. Take out after 20 to 30 minutes and knead it once again. Once it's properly kneaded, once again set it inside an oven for proofing. This will ferment the dough a little bit more better and you will get the end result more enhanced. Now this is how it will look if you are putting it for second proofing, and this is the end result.